This fantastic tool is loaded with unique features and modern technology systems that will serve you thoroughly if you're in need of a good planner to add to your workshop. It is portable and works exceptionally well in reclaiming old boards as well as new ones. The Porter Cable PC305TP offers a powerful 15 amp for superior stock removal that cuts quick and smooth through boards. Luckily, it does not make a lot of noise that can disturb your neighborhood when in use. This thickness planner comes with 2 solid steel knives that you can easily replace and assures smooth operation and long life. Plus, the blades that come with this planner are double-sided. When one side gets blunt, you can flip it over to the other sharp end and it will work like a new one. You can easily raise or lower the blades, as this Porter Cable planner comes with a cranking mechanism which you will find very useful during operation. Another additional feature of Porter Cable's PC305TP is the patented cutter elevation on 4 precision ground columns that provides stability and control for better finish quality. Moreover, it uses Poly V belt cutter head drive that allows a very compact solution for maximum power transfer.